nominal data, ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿ ಕಮೆಂಟ್. ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ಸ್ MCQ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗೋದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. MCQ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದಾಗ ಯಾವ ತರ ನೀವು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಡನ್. ಬರ್ದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಫೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಶಾಪಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಲಿಗೆ ಹೋದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯು ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಇನಫ್ ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಯುವರ್ ಅಕೌಂಟ್. ಟಾಪ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಏನೋ ತಗೊಳಕ್ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಮೆಟೀರಿಯಲ್. ಈಗ ಟಾಪ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ ಅಥವಾ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ? ಬ್ಯಾಲೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದೆ? ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ತಾನೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಈಗ ವೆನ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಟು ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್, ನೀವ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ ಹೇಳಿ? ಕೇಳಿಸ್ತಾನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಡಬ್ಲ್ಯೂ, ಓಕೆ, ಬೀಬಾ, ರೈಟ್. ಈಗ ಬಾಯ್ಸ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಜೀನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್, ಕೂಪರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಯಾವ್ದು ಇದಾವಲ್ಲ ಟಾಪ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ತೀರಾ. ಬಟ್ ಯಾರು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಏನಂತ ಟಾಪ್ ಬ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಂತ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ರೈಟ್? So what I am saying is, like when you go to shopping mall, like you will say which brand you want, means you won't say specific price. You will just say top brand, right? Next, ordinal data. Ordinal qualitative data, please write. Ordinal qualitative data uses a certain scale or measured to group data into categories or groups. Okay, stop writing. I will explain first. So previously what we discussed, nominal data. In nominal data, what they said, they won't consider numerical values, they said. Okay, when it comes to ordinal data, they are saying for ordinal qualitative data uses a certain scale or measure to group data into categories or groups. Means here they are using some scale. Like for example, here only we will take an example. How many of you belongs to Mysore by birth? By birth 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ujjwal, you are from Shimoga. Okay, fine. So we can say one category, like by birth 4 students are from Mysuru. Okay, am I specifying like any scale? No, right? Just I said by birth who are belongs to Mysuru. Okay, then next category, how many of you from outsiders from Mysuru, outsiders of Mysuru by birth? Okay, myself also. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, the next category. How many of you outside of Karnataka? Then 1. Okay, so I am doing the categories. I am not specifying any measures like 1 centimeter or 2 centimeter. I am not keeping any specific measurements. I am just categories. I'm keeping categories. Those who are from Mysuru by birth, those who are from outside of the Mysuru by birth, and then those who are outside of the Karnataka. I made 3 categories, right? Here I have used some certain of data, right? I have measured 1, 2, 3, 4. I have counted, right? So they are saying ordinal qualitative data uses a certain scale. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು ಯಾವ ತರ ಅಂತ have you understood, right, the example? Okay. Ordinal qualitative data uses a certain scale or measure to group data into categories groups. The data is generally ordered or measured, but the scale used to represent the data may not be standard or specific. Okay. This type of data includes numerical values and displays properties of both categorical data and numerical data. Fine. Okay, one more example. How many of you like, again, we will come to the cricket part, football part. Okay, I will give 2 games, football and cricket. How many of you like cricket? How many of you like cricket? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 is a numerical data, right? But like is it? Like means it is a qualitative data. But 8, the number is what? Numerical data, right? And how many of you like football? Football. Okay, 1, 2, 3. How many of you? 3 means what? It is numerical data. But you are liking. It's you liking means what? It is qualitative data. Okay. So ordinal data, what it is saying, it is a combination of both qualitative data and quantitative data. Okay, now. So in MCQs, what can ask? They may give options like which of the following is true statement. Okay, please write MCQ. Please write which of the following. Please write, online students, which of the following is true statement. Ordinal, first option, ordinal data is generally ordered or measured. Ordered or measured. Second option, the scale used to represent the data to be standard or specific. To be standard or specific. Third option, ordinal data displays properties of both categorical data and qualitative data. Option D, all of the above. Option D, all of the above. Okay. Observe ಮಾಡಿ 4 options now. Please reread the options. Online students, already online students answer ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. So how many of you say A is right? Reread the options. How many of you say A is option A is right? Okay, online. Okay, fine. Shreyas said A is the option. Okay, fine. Then second option. Second option ಏನಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ? Read it. What? One. Nikita, you read. Second option. ಎಲ್ಲಿದ್ದೀರಾ? You still you are in Rajasthan? Huh? Is this a true statement or false statement? False, because it is not specified. Okay. In sentence only I have given. In the definition itself, I said like what? It is not specific. Okay. Then come to the third option. Come to third option. Now, Abhinav, you only read third option.
Ordinal data displays properties of both categorical data and qualitative data.
Okay. But actually, what is supposed to do? Like instead of that qualitative data, exactly. Okay. Qualitative, I just another name of categorical data is what? Qualitative data. Instead of qualitative data, I supposed to give what? Numerical data or quantitative data. Okay. Little confusion makes you lose the marks. Little perfection makes you gain the marks. ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತಾ? ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 marks ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 1 mark ಗಳಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಬಹುದು. Fine. Okay, now what is the option? Option A. Like put a tick mark for option A. Understood? ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಹೇಳಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋರು? ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇತ್ತಾ? Fine. Okay, continue ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ explanation. Categorical data can be analyzed by making groups and it can be usually represented using bar graphs. Bar graphs, have you seen? Anyhow, next chapter is fully on bar graphs, pie charts, histograms, frequency table, fully on second chapter, full of graphs. Okay, so sometimes in newspapers you can see ನೋಡಿರಬಹುದು share market ಯಾರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಟ್ರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆ? How many of you like see share market, right? Like in the month of, for example, I am saying not exact data. In the month of Jan, the graph will be like this. Actually, share market they will say like only they will say like this, but I am showing in a bar graph. Okay, bar graph. It is not bar graph like this. If it comes in a rectangular bar, then only you can see it is bar graph. Okay. So Jan month ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ವಿದ್ಯಾವೇರದ ಶೇರ್ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. Jan month ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಂದು ಪ್ರೈಸ್ ಒಂದು ಶೇರ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 500 rupees ಇದೆ. 500 rupees ವಿದ್ಯಾವೇರದ. I am just giving an example. I don't have any shares. Okay. In Jan month, one share is 500 rupees. Then in Feb month, it gained 750 rupees. Okay, next increase I to 500 to 750, 250. In March month, it lost comes to 300 rupees. How much I lost? Okay, I made this a category. In the month of Jan, I got this much profit. In month of Feb, I got this much. In March, this much. Right? Just I am making a group. Okay, I am making a categories to analyze the data. Okay, then and it can be visually represented using bar graph. Ordinal categorical data can be illustrated using surveys that use numbers to compute comparison data belongs to group under categorical variables. Okay, for example, like one more thing, the like census ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಮನೆಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ, how many members are there in a family and how many members are below the age of 5. The next, those who are married and those who are unmarried and those who are 18 years and above and below 30 years. They will ask or not when it comes to census. Okay. So these, why they will take census? Huh. Why they will do census? Yes. Huh? Yes. Population. Then next. ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕು ಸೆನ್ಸಸ್? ವೈ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್? ಬಜೆಟ್ ಮಂಡನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ, ಬಜೆಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಿರ್ಮಲಾ ಸೀತಾರಾಮನ್, like financial minister, she will announce the budget based on what? Based on what? State population. See, fund ಏನಿದೆಯಲ್ಲ, ಕರ್ನಾಟಕಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಷ್ಟು they won't give for the Goa, or they won't give for same fund for Uttar Pradesh. Okay, depending upon the population density, they will decide the fund. Okay, now see, and then when it comes to textile industry, which is a famous state for textile cloth, which is a famous state. Gujarat is the famous. ನೀವು ನೋಡಿ ಮೀಶೋದಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ತರಿಸ್ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಮೀಶೋ ಅಥವಾ ಎನಿ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಮ್ಯಾನುಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಚರ್ಡ್ ಸೂರತ್ ಇನ್ ಸೂರತ್ ಗುಜರಾತ್, ಆ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ. ಜೈಪುರ್, ರಾಜಸ್ಥಾನ್ ಇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಫೇಮಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫೇಮಸ್. ಕೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ನೋಡ್ಕೊತ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಮ್ಯಾಪ್. ಗುಜರಾತ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ, ಕೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಕೋಸ್ಟ್ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು. ಮಹಾರಾಷ್ಟ್ರ, ಹಂಗೆ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಗೋವಾ, ದೆನ್ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ದೆನ್ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೇರಳ, ದೆನ್ ಆ ಕಡೆ ತಮಿಳ್ನಾಡು. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಈ ಕೋಸ್ಟಲ್ ಏರಿಯಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆಯಾ, ನಮ್ಗೆ ಕನೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಇರೋದು ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಇಂಡಸ್ಟ್ರೀಸ್. Okay, when it comes to industries, when finance minister used to give the fund for textile industries, they will see how much they can produce. Like GDP, how much they will contribute for the GDP. At the end of the day, everyone we will work for GDP, right? Hamara desh, like Bharat ka GDP, we have to increase, means we have to contribute. Yes or no? ಹೌದಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಪ್ರಣವ್? ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರಿಂಗ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಇವಾಗ ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತೀರಾ? ಹಾ, ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್ ಆರ್ಡಿನಲ್ ಡೇಟಾ? Yes or no? In ordinal data, it is a combination of what? Categorical data and exactly categorical and numerical data. Okay, it does not have any specific standard. Okay. Quantitative data, but you said like in the month of January is the name, right? It's just a month. January, February is a name. Already I said when it comes to qualitative data, it belongs to names. And in ordinal data, again, it's a combination of what? Categorical and numerical. January, February, these are all categorical. And these numbers says what? Numerical. Its combination is nothing but ordinal. Okay, please write enter sentence. Have you written all those things? Like ordinal data, complete definition. Vardidira Pranav, I will check your note. Please write. Complete sentence. Please write fast. Notes incomplete ಇಟ್ಕೋಬಿಡಿ. Once incomplete start ಆಯ್ತು, DCET exam ಬಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗ. ಶ್ರೀಹರಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಯೂಸ್ ಚಾಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. ದೀಪ್ತಿ, ಶ್ರೇಯಸ್, ಮೋನಿಶ್, ಯೂಸ್ ಚಾಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್. ಓಕೆ ಫೈನ್. ಸೊ ನೀವು ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಬರೀತಾ ಹೋಗಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ PPT ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಲ್ಲ, ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಆಗಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರೆ ಎಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಅವರು ಯೂಸ್ ಚಾಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಬರ್ದಿದ್ರೆ. Okay. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟ ತನಕ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನು ಟೈಪ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ನಾಮಿನಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಆರ್ಡಿನಲ್. ಈಗ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟೇಟಿವ್ ಡೇಟಾ. ಓಕೆ, ಅನಾಲಿಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಡೇಟಾ ಈಸ್ ಮಚ್ crucial part than the collection of it as data in itself. Without analysis, didn't tell us anything about the phenomenon for which it is collected. As per the analysis of qualitative data, there are two types of approaches. The first approach is deductive approach and second approach is inductive approach. ಈಗ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಡೇಟಾ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ಆ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಡೇಟಾ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಕಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗತ್ತೆ ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೂ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ. ಇವಾಗ ಬರೀ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ವಿಚ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ ಇನ್ ಮೈಸೂರು ಡಿಪ್ಲೊಮಾ ಕಾಲೇಜಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಗೂಗಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ಚ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಶೋ 6 to 7 ಕಾಲೇಜ್